My symbol is puzzle pieces fitting to its place. I chose this symbol because just like a puzzle pieces, I always apply mathematics in my life. Whenever and whatever I do in life, there is mathematics. And it will be always a part of my life even if I hate it sometimes. But somehow, mathematics contributed a lot to our world. Mathematics resembles a puzzle in its intricate structure and the satisfaction of solving it. Just as a puzzle is formed by individual pieces, math is built upon fundamental concepts like numbers and equations. These concepts connect and build upon each other, much like puzzle pieces forming a complete picture. Logical reasoning, like deduction and pattern recognition, is crucial in puzzles and mathematics. The joy of finding the right solution in math is similar to completing a puzzle, offering a rewarding sense of accomplishment. Furthermore, like viewing a puzzle from different angles, approaching mathematical problems from various perspectives can lead to diverse solution and deeper understanding. Therefore, mathematics, like a puzzle, invites exploration, discovery, and intellectual fulfillment. Thank you.